Here we are in the newly renovated entertainment area. This space went from a very dark, outdated, unwelcoming space to what you see now, which is beautiful, open. It's a great transition in from the pool. We painted the outdated red brick in a nice gray color to coordinate with painting of cabinets that were actually here prior. And they match the cabinets or part of the cabinets in the kitchen area. In this room, we updated the vanity, new lighting, kept the same tile floor all the way through, new shower, and there's a sauna in here that we updated as well, flooring. So basically the layout stayed consistent, but we updated it. And then coming out back into the main area, again, you have access to the pool. And this is the area that I expressed was one of my favorite parts in the house. We completely gutted what was here before, made it bright and fresh and ready for a party. We have a custom designed table base and a stone slab top. We designed the bench seating with the foot rail. And then we've got this whole kitchen area that's just ready for a party or someone staying here for an extended amount of time, and it's just a great area.